Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to sell my investment in Fidelity. So let's say you want to sell your shares from your Fidelity account. So what you have to do is simply log into your account, and then here you have to simply select the account you want to trade in. So basically the account you want to sell your investments from. Then after that you'll have to simply choose the stocks that you are owning. So here you have to simply enter the trading symbol. So let's say you want to share your Apple stock, so simply choose Apple, and then here select buy or sell. So you'd have to simply select sell, and basically here you have to simply choose between dollars and shares, then enter an amount. So let's say you want to sell your, let's say 10 shares of Apple. You can do that. So you have to select shares and then enter 10, the amount, or you can choose in dollars. So let's say you want to sell $100 worth of Apple shares, you can do that. After that, you'll have to simply preview your order, and that's all you have to do. You'll have to simply confirm it, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.